Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? How are you today? Now, for this week's video, I'm going to be doing the no makeup challenge, and really this is kind of like routine for me. I mean, I don't go full glam every day. Sometimes you just want to look better, but you don't want to look caked up, if you know what I'm saying. And yeah, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. Alrighty, so as you can see this week, I'm a little scruffy, you know. This is kind of just, this is more like a routine video for me. Like, this is just what I do when, you know, gotta go out, go to work, run some errands, whatever, and you just need a little bit of something. And the first thing that I do is clean my hands. Now, when I am doing a no makeup, I like to apply a lot of things with my hands. Alrighty, now to start off, I like to use petroleum jelly, Vaseline, whatever you guys have. Just grab a little bit, like I'd say that much, and just put it around the areas that you know you're probably not going to put that much foundation in. So when I'm scruffy like this, I'm not really going to put a lot of foundation here, so I'll put some right above, right on the side of the temples, right under the chin, down here, and just start blending that out and in. And then the next thing that I like to use is, I've really been liking this Pond's Rejuvenous Anti-Wrinkle Cream, and just grab a little dollop of that. Dollop of daisy. And just that much, and go right under the eyes and this little line that I have up here, and just put some of that there. So for foundation today, I'm going to be going in with the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation in the shade Light 49 Neutral. And what I like to do is, check this out, I grab some Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. It's a lightweight hydration for everyday use, and it's fragrance free. So I grab some of this on the back of my hand, around, I think that much is fine, maybe a little bit less. And then I grab the foundation and just add that much foundation, I don't know if you guys can see it, to the moisturizer. So I'm kind of creating my own tinted moisturizer here, and just start swirling it around. Until you get something like that. And then I just like to apply this to the face. Now this is just gonna like dilute the foundation and make it not as like full coverage and heavy. It's gonna give me a nice little glow, and then once the moisturizer sucks in, it's not gonna be so noticeable that I'm wearing foundation. And just start blending this in with your fingers. So I don't know if you guys can tell already, but I already look much more even. It's much better, look awake and refreshed, and it's not cakey. It's not like a makeup feel. It's just like a natural, like your skin but better feel. Alrighty, so up next we're going to be doing concealer. I'm going to be going in with the Jefree Star Concealer in the shade C3. And when I'm doing concealer on a no makeup day, like that I just want to do a little bit and go on and get out, I grab the very tip of the concealer and put one dot that big in the center of my eye. Boom. A line here. a line here and a line there and here, just to keep that color, you know, sequence going in the high parts. And then grabbing a damp beauty blender, this one's by Jefree Star Morphe, I'm just gonna grab the tip and spread it out underneath the eye. Just blend that out and up. So as you can see, that did brighten up a bit under the eyes, and there's the same color sequence in high points, but it's not like snatched realness. It's just a very light, you know, little moment. Now up next, I'm going to be setting. I'm going to use the Mercier translucent setting powder and a Morphe M173 brush. And I prefer to use translucent powders on days that I'm, you know, trying to be a bit more natural. And just dab the excess off and just set that to prevent creasing. I like to use translucent because it's not going to add color, it's just going to set it. It's not going to be so glowy and dewy. It's going to be a lot more matte and just prevent creasing. So, you know, just set the parts that you put concealer in, and then what I like to do is I get extremely oily around my T-zone, so I'll go on the sides of the nose, over here, right here in this part, a little bit more up, down the nose, and on the chin. Gonna go in with the Morphe E4 and the Love Flush Long Lasting 16-Hour Wear Blush Wardrobe. And I'm gonna pick something really subtle, nothing with shimmers in it, something matte. So How Deep Is Your Love over here. I'm just gonna dab into it twice, and 2 fingers away from my nose, I'm just gonna scoop it in. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other side, so 1, 2 fingers away from the nose and scoop it in. Now I'm also gonna apply the blush to my temples, 1, 2, other side, 1, 2, and under my jaw, 1, 1. Boom. I'm done with blush. Now for the eyes, I'm going to be grabbing a Morphe M431 and the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm going to be going into the contour shade Subconscious over here, picking some of that up, and then I'm going to be putting it right on the crease. And then once the crease is looking in a way that I like, I'm just gonna grab a little bit more and go straight up. Now up next, I'm going to set my face, and what I like to do to set my face is I'm gonna grab the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and just set it. Up next, I'm gonna do mascara. So I like to use the Falsies Push Up Angel, and what I do is I put mascara with the tip on the wand on the edge of the eye. So I only like to put mascara over here. And just do 1 scoop straight up on the rest of the eye. So just 1. 1. And then with my fingers, I'm going to blink a couple times onto them and pick up any excess. And just do that with another finger. Pick up any other excess. And that is it for the eyes. Now last thing that I like to do is I like to grab one of Jefree Star's lip scrub. This one is watermelon, and just quickly exfoliate my lips. Now that my lips are exfoliated, I'm going to be going in with a very natural shade. This one is Mother by Kat Von D. And just clean off the excess and just apply one dot like that. And then using my fingers, just spread it out. Now lastly, the one thing that I do not care if it looks like makeup on me, because like, come on, is highlight. Today we're going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit and my JS4, and we're just going to be going into Blue Ice and a little bit of Star and just highlighting all the way. Just, I don't care. This is the one thing that it's like, are you wearing makeup? It's like, I'm wearing highlight. So yeah guys, this concludes my video for the no makeup challenge. This is kind of like how I do my makeup on a regular. Unless I'm really lazy, then I just do some highlight and mascara on the tips. But like if I have time before work or if we're going out, just throw a couple products on just to, you know, keep it cute, you know. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. I drop a new video every Wednesday. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, show the love and support, and I'll see you guys next week. Mwah.